Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Monday.com for sales tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Monday.com for sales tracking, first, log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting their website and signing up. Once logged in, click on the Add New Board option to create a new sales tracking board. Choose a template by selecting Use a Template and searching for a sales tracking template. Select a template that fits your needs and click Use Template to start customizing it. Next, customize the columns to reflect the information you want to track. Common columns include lead name, status, deal value, and closing date. You can easily add new columns by clicking the plus icon. Once you have your columns set up, start adding your sales leads to the board. Click on the first cell in the lead name column to add a new lead. Fill in the details of the lead such as their name, contact information, and company. Next, set the current status of each lead using the drop-down menu in the status column. You can choose statuses like new lead, in negotiation, or closed one. To track deal values, add numeric values in the deal value. For ongoing leads, update the closing date column with the expected closing date. As you move forward, keep your board updated by adding new leads or changing lead statuses. You can also use the Notes column to jot down important information about each lead. To visualize your sales data, click on the Views button at the top right of your board. Here, you can select different views like Kanban, Calendar, or Chart to analyze your data. Using the Kanban view can help you see the progression of leads through various stages. Feel free to customize your views for a clearer representation of your sales pipeline. For team collaboration, invite your team members to the board by clicking the Invite button. Assign roles and responsibilities to each team member by adding them to specific leads. Regularly check for updates and comments from your team within the board. To keep track of deadlines, use Monday.com's automation features. Automations can remind you or your team members when a deal is about to close. You can set reminders by going to the Automation Center and selecting suitable automated actions. Finally, regularly review your sales performance by exporting reports. You can export your data by clicking on the three-dot menu and selecting Export. This will help you analyze your performance and adjust your strategies as needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Monday.com for sales tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.